If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smokesy Pole!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child froze me with its telepathic control, made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. And then it grabbed me.
Oh, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Sweet monster in the sky, save me!
I'm home with Dowski, and on my birthday, I thought you heard about me.
I understand.
Come on, this way.
There's nothing down here. Affirmative on the negative, number one.
Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scale floor.